Hey guys, this is Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the Fearless Momma 2.0 review. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews like this to let you know what products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the Fearless Momma 2.0. I love the name of this product. It's created by Tammy Montgomery. This is her right here. She has 10 years of experience in the internet marketing industry. She's made multiple six-figure income. She is very, very successful, and she is a phenomenal trainer. You can use this training just to learn how to generate leads, how to make more sales, but you can also promote this product if you like and earn 100% commissions. So if you want to, you come in and you just set up your Stripe account. It just takes a few minutes and instantly you'll have this lead capture page. New video reveals how you can instantly pocket a $250 commission within the next 72 hours, even if you've never made a dime online. And then when they put their name and email in here, they'll go to this next page where she has a video that she shows just leads coming in, one after another, and sales as well. And she said, you know, I can show you guys exactly how I do this. I can help you do it as well. And she's been very successful. She said, my people make money because I show them over the shoulder exactly what I do each day. And then you're going to get a kick butt solo ad swipe. She does a lot of solo ads. As well as some other marketing I'll show you here in a minute. And that's why she just has this flood of leads coming into her system each and every day, and that's how you make sales. Check out the sales letter that makes $250 per sale. So when you come to this here, it has another video showing more proof of sales coming in one after the other. The system that you promote is basically a three-step system. The first step is obviously you're going to have lead flow. So she shows you the exact lead sources, ad swipes, proven action steps. And then you have the irresistible offer here. And then I love this step 3, let go. It ain't about you, sweetheart. Don't. So get over it. No one cares if you're old, young, skinny, or fat, married, single, divorced. Our system works regardless of your history. And I think one of the great things about Tammy is that she instills this confidence in you that you can do it too. Okay, and you need somebody who's gonna help you with that belief. Okay, so again, you get 100% commissions if you choose to promote this. You set up your Stripe account. It takes just a few minutes, and then you collect the 100% $250 commissions, and then within 2 business days, you got your money in your Stripe account. And I'm telling you, people are making multiple $250 sales in a day. This product sells very, very well. I'm going to show you just part of the product, which is the first 7 modules. That is module 1, how to start from 0 and go to 100K. And I love how she gives you this new paradigm shift. She talks you through like how you go from thinking I can't do this to how much can I earn this week. So that's a huge part of coming online, is people they don't believe they can do it. And when you get that belief, then that's when things start to happen. And she talks about her really inspiring weight loss. She lost over 100 pounds. And, you know, that's kind of like internet marketing, where you think, well, I've never done it before. I've tried all kinds of things. It's not happening for me. It's kind of like with weight loss. Well, you can do it. Okay, she shows you how you can do it over the shoulder. She shows you. Module 2 talks about how much money you can make, how much you can believe that you can make. Her magic transformation from being on the couch to 5K runs. She looks absolutely phenomenal. She feels great. And that's part of business too, is just feeling good about yourself. So that's really good. And your new office, of course, is going to be your home. And then when the shit hits the fan, she talks about adversity and how to be prepared for that, how to diversify, so you know you don't just have one of your lead sources taken away from you and that's your whole livelihood. Focusing on new marketing skills. And then if she had to start all over again, she's been doing this for 10 years. She knows her stuff. But if she had to start over again, what would she do? How would she recover? And her secret income weapon. Module 7 is the keys to unlock big ticket sales. And then let me just show you, that's the training portal, it's the 7 modules, and then Craigslist. Okay, she said if you're not doing classified advertising, you are totally missing out on some high quality leads. She said she closes high ticket sales from Craigslist, and she shows you exactly how to do that. And then you have a mastermind. Every Monday you get on a Zoom call with her. You can ask questions. She's very hands-on. She loves to see people succeed. This is her right here. And you're going to have recordings of all the past masterminds in here, like solo ads. She has part 1, 2, and 3. She shows exactly how she makes gets all these leads every day and how she makes all these sales every day. And then she has classifieds with Craigslist and how to outsource that, her secrets on that, how she makes sales and leads to there. And then again, if you do want to promote this, she has training on how to make your first $250 in just 72 hours. That's the recording here, and that's the goal, is to get you making money right away. So that's basically it, the Fearless Momma 2.0. Again, Tammy Montgomery. She is a phenomenal trainer, and she is somebody who could really, really help you if you're struggling to get leads for your business and struggling to get sales. She can definitely help you. And the thing that I love, one of the things I love about Tammy is she gives you a daily method of operation. And she said, that's why my people are so successful. That's why they make sales. It's because I give them I show them over the shoulder exactly what I do every day, and they have this daily method of operation. She said they do this every single day, and that's why they have success. The other thing, people come online, they go through and they don't know what to do. They don't have anybody guiding them step by step on what to do. And then having a mastermind and a mentor is super important for your success online. So I highly recommend this product. I got the training and went through it, and it's top notch. So that's my Fearless Momma 2.0 review. If you receive value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And I highly recommend, if you do have a network marketing business and you want to plug your downline in and have Tammy train them for you, to refer your team to this product. You will be very happy with the training that she gives. So again, if this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to check out the Fearless Momma 2.0, I'm going to leave that, and that'll be the first link in the description below this video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below this video. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.